Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Database, Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Question number 57. What is merge function and its use in SQL Server Database? In this session, we are going to discuss about what is merge function and its use in SQL Server Database. The merge statement in SQL Server is a powerful DML, that is data manipulation language command, used to insert, update or delete rows in target table based on the differences with the source table, all in a single statement. Coming to the definition, merge allows you to synchronize two tables or a table and a query result. It compares a source, that is new data, with the target, that is existing table, and performs actions based on the rows match or not match. For example, coming to the basic syntax, merge target table as T using source table as S on T dot key column is equal to S dot key column, where matched then update set T dot column 1 is equal to S dot column 1, T dot column 2 is equal to S dot column 2. When not matched by the target, then insert column 1, column 2 values dot S dot column 1, comma S dot column 2. When no matched by the source, then delete. Here we are doing three operations. One is inserting, and another one is updating, and third one is deleting. These are the operations that we are performing on the merge statement combined in a single block of query. And use of the merge. First point is like UPSERT, that means update and insert. If a record exists, it updates it. If not, it inserts it. Synchronize the tables. Example, synchronize staging table with the production table. Conditional delete removes rows from a target table that no longer exists in the source. Example with the sample data. Here we are creating two tables, that is one table is employees table, and the employees table is containing employee ID, name and department, and we are inserting the data like 1 John HR, 2 Sarah Finance, 3 Mike IT. And in the same way, we are creating another table, that is new employee with the same columns. We are inserting 2 Sarah Finance. This is existing, no change. That means it is existing in the target table, 2 Sarah Finance. And coming to the second row, 3 Mike Sales exists but department changed. That means it exists in the employees table, but in the employees table the department is finance. Here it is sales. It is updated. The department is updated to sales from finance. And coming to the fourth record, it is a new record in the source, that is new employees, that is 4 Emma IT, which is a new record. We can insert this record into the target table that is not existed in the target table. And here we are using the merge statement. Merge employees as target using new employees as source on a T dot employee ID is equal to S dot employee ID. When matched and T dot department is not is equal to S dot department, then update set T dot department is equal to S dot department. Now the department is not matching. We are just setting the old department name with a new department. When it is matched with employee ID. And coming to the next thing, that when not matched by the target, that insert employee ID, name and department. If there is no match found, the new record we have to insert it. The values from S dot employee ID, comma S dot name, comma S dot department, that is called a source table. When no matched by the source, then delete. It is optional. We can use it or we cannot have it here. For the understanding all the things in the merge statement, we are including the delete as well here. Coming to the result here after executing this query, we will be getting employee ID, name, department as 2 Sarah Finance and 3 Mike Sarah and 4 Emma IT. 4 Emma IT is a new record, whereas 2 Sarah Finance and 3 Mike Sales. These are the three records, and employee ID 1 is John will be deleted if we kept the delete class. If you use the delete class, employee ID 1 will be deleted. Why? Because it is not existed in the target. When to use a merge statement? When you want to combine insert, update, delete logic in a single statement, you can go for the merge statement or a merge function. For ETL, like extraction, transformation, loading processes, especially with the staging tables, we can go for a merge statement. For data synchronization between the systems, we can use this merge statements. There is an important note here. Merge is very powerful but must be used carefully. Sometimes people face unexpected updates or deletes if on condition is wrong. Be careful with the on condition here. There should be a proper on condition, then it is going to give the unexpected results for you. Always test merge in the safe environments before running on the production data. And coming to these things to see practically, we go for the SMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio, and we are at demo at GKey database. Here we are going to drop these two tables. Why? Because if the tables already created, we are going to drop it. Now we are creating the tables from the beginning. We are creating the employees table. The table has been created. We are inserting these three records, that is 1 John HR, 2 Sarah Finance, and 3 Mike IT. And we are creating the new table, that is a reference table, new employees. And table has been created, and we are inserting the data. See the data, what data we are inserting here? First, exists no change. 2 Sarah Finance is already existing in the target table. There is no change for this. We are just inserting this record. And coming to the 3 Mike sales exists but department change. See 3 Mike IT, there is a record existing with the ID and Mike name same, and here the IT department is changed and updated to sales. Coming to the 4 Emma IT is a new record. There is no record in the target table. New. This is a new insert that we are going to insert in the target table. Coming to the merge statement, here we are using the merge statement here. Merge employees as T using new employees as a source on T.employee ID is equal to S.employee. This is the condition that we have to have the carefully. That means we are just joining on the employee ID columns from the both the tables. These are the employee IDs. We have to check. We are just checking the employee IDs here. When matched, and T.department is not is equal to S.department. Update set T.department is equal to S.department. That means the matching 3 is matching, and department 3 is matching, and name also matching. Here we are updating IT with the sales. That is the meaning of this matched condition. When not matched by a target, then insert employee ID, name, department, values from S.employee ID, S.name, S.department. That means there is no 4 in the target table, then it is not matched. That means we are inserting this record, that is from source table. We are inserting this record into the target. And coming to the when no matched by the source, then delete. If there is no match from the source, then we have to delete the record. Here, this is the source. If there is no matching record in the source, then we are going to delete it. In this way, the merge thing is going to be worked. Up to here, the merge statement is completed. To see the output, we have written these things here. This is output, action as merge action, conditional. These are the different things we have to define here. This is only first to see what happened by using this merge statement. Let's execute this query along with the output as well. Let's see the output here. See, first it has taken the delete operation for employee ID 1 John and new name. There is no new name, and old name and new name. That means we have deleted 1 John and HRY because it is not existed in the new employees table. And coming to the next delete, here employee ID 2 Sarah null, finance and null. Here what happened? Here it is updating the thing. And let's drop the tables and create from the beginning. Let's see the difference on these things. Okay, we have created this table, and we are also creating this table instead of the data. And let's check this whole merge statement again. Now see, yeah, now it has got why? Because I have executed this merge statement before. That's why it has given only deletes before. Now I dropped and we are doing it from the beginning. First, what happened? It inserted the fourth record, Emma and IT. So there is no old name. Why? Because it is a new record in the employees table. That is new employees table that we are inserting this table by comparing with the source table. There is no record which is existing in the employees table. While comparing with the new employees, we are just inserting this one. And next one is deleting one John HR. One John HR is not existed in new employees table, that is existed in our target table. Then we are just deleting this one. This is optional one. We can keep the history. Otherwise, if you want latest things and if you want to delete, you can delete this record as well. And coming to the third one, that is employee ID 3. Employee ID 3 exists in both the tables, employee ID 3 here and employee ID 3 here, and the name also same name we are having. And what we are trying to do is new name is same. We are not changing the name. Why? Because the IT the department only changed from IT to sales. This is the old department name, that is IT. That old department, just see old department name, that is IT for the Mike and employee ID 3, and it has updated to sales for Mike and employee ID 3, that we can see as a new department. And in this way, the merge statement can be used to insert, update and delete the records comparing with a source and target tables. This is a powerful statement or a function which is available in SQL Server database, which can be used for ETL operations when comparing with the staging tables. And to use this scripts, you can come to the description part and you can download the script from there, and you can test these scenarios over here. Thank you. Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.